Once again, myself Ashish Jain, Accountancy Class 11, question number 5 of Chapter 3, Transaction of Business. First, okay, today we are doing question number 5 of NCERT book as mentioned here of the accounting equation to show the effect of the following transaction of Royal Traders. Started business with cash 1,20,000, purchased goods for cash 10,000, rent received 5,000, outstanding salary 2,000, prepaid insurance 1,000, received interest 700, sold goods for cash costing 5,000 in 7,000, and goods destroyed by fire of rupees 500. So this question we are doing today here, and we can see the first point. It is started business with cash of 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 cash will increase. Okay, and in total side 1,20,000 we will also write here, and the total of this side also will increase. The capital will also increase with 1,20,000. So, and this the total side here also it will come. Okay, the second point is purchase goods for cash of rupees 10,000. So this cash goods we have purchased, so minus 10,000 from here, it will be 1,10,000. Goods will increase with 10,000. There will be no effect on capital and total, so it will be 1,20,000 only. Next one is rent received 5,000. This is the rent received 5,000. So cash will increase with 1,15,000. Capital will also increase with 5,000, so it will be 1,25,000. Here we will write total 1,25,000. Next is outstanding salary of 2,000 rupees. So outstanding salary it is. So 2,000 outstanding comes, we will make the new column in liability sides with 2,000 rupees, and 2,000 will come this side, and the effect we will see here. Next it is the prepaid insurance 1,000. So prepaid insurance, again we will start the new column of prepaid insurance 1,000 rupees, and it will also effect in various. Now it is the received interest 700, 700 rupees cash will increase, 700 rupees this capital will also increase. Total we will also increase with 7,000. Okay, now next point is sold goods for cash of 5,000 on 7,000. So 5,000 का हमने goods बेचा है, so goods will decrease with 5,000. 7,000 में बेचा है, तो cash will increase with 7,000, but 2,000 profit is there, so this 2,000 capital will increase. You can see here 2,000 capital will increase here. Last is goods destroyed by fire of 500. So 500 rupees destroyed by fire minus we will do, and again the capital also will be subtracted with 500 rupees. So the points, all the points as over. Now we will do the total. So with 1,25,000, 110, 5 plus 5, so it is 1,15,000. 1,15,000 plus 700 plus 7,000, the total comes 1,22,700. Goods 10,000 का था, 500 we have sold, 5,000 we have sold, and 500 the loss of fire, it is this of 4,500. Prepaid insurance 1,000. Total it will come 1,22,700 plus 4,500 plus 1,000. It will be 1,28,200. Now liability side capital, it was this. Total 126,200, and 2,000 are our outstanding salary. So we will add in this. It will come 128,200, and here also 128,200. Our answer is right. So here it was the solution 5. I hope you all like it. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.